Okay, this lesson's on semi-independent suspension. Semi-independent suspension is a suspension in which the trailing arms are connected to a torsion axle. Semi-independent suspension is a simple construction. It can be found as the rear axle on passenger cars. Which suspension is illustrated here? Semi-independent suspension. What is the characteristic of the construction of semi-independent suspension? The wheels are connected by a torsion axle. Where is semi-independent suspension used? The rear axle of passenger cars. The trailing arms are connected by a torsion axle that can twist. The torsion axle ensures that movement of one wheel partly influences the movement of the other wheel on the same axle. If the wheel deflection increases or decreases simultaneously and equally, then this has no effect on the wheel setting. So here we can see camber happening. Positive and negative, depending on which side. This torsion axle is twisting. So this wheel doesn't get turned all the way up and as high as this wheel because this bar is bending. Which is true for semi-independent suspension. A movement of one wheel is partly transferred to the other wheel on the axle. So only part of the movement here is being transferred over to here. Which wheel setting changes in both wheels if the vehicle drives over the stone? Well, we can see that the camber, positive and negative camber, are being created. Which wheel setting changes in both vehicles if the vehicle drives over a speed bump? Well, let's look. These blue sticks, these guides are moving, so there is no setting change. And we finished. Pretty easy, straightforward lesson again.